And here's another porta potty review here. There's 3 of them in this area. At least look at one of these. It's like a whole cul-de-sac being built here. A couple of these homes are already finished. Let's just take a look at this one here. This home's under construction. Looks like they're now working inside. If I can get to it, this is a ready light, kind of buried over here. And it is sitting at a very bad angle here. And fully strapped down. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. And it is a toilet paper nightmare. They have filled up the whole toilet with toilet paper here. There's more on the floor. Pack of smokes. There's some toilet paper there. And it looks like somebody has missed a urinal and just went to the bathroom on the floor. Wouldn't make any difference, I guess. Here's the vent pipe. Really sitting at an angle here, this one. And we got a busted toilet paper. I'm sure there's nothing in there. There's not. Got a good dent there. And we have Satan. Looks like some graffiti. And looks like Leroy has been here. Looks like his last clean February 10th. We've got some other writing here I can't make out. And some other writing I can't make out. So we got some good graffiti in here. Let's look on the outside here. This one's really sitting at an angle, as you can see. Very well strapped down. And I'll give this a thumbs down as well. It is full of toilet paper. It's a mess. One of the many new homes being constructed here, just outside of Durham, North Carolina.